3 tips for Triumph 400 models. Conservation and comfort. On the Speed and Scrambler you will find 2 screws under the rear fender, where you can screw or glue a rubber to keep dirt out under the seat, especially protecting the rear suspension. If necessary, the rubber can also be attached to the bottom. By loosening the 2 lower screws on the handlebar, you can adjust the height of the handlebar. The space available for adjustments is large. Before buying a handlebar raiser, do a test fit. Do the same with the brake fluid support to ensure alignment. Mark a piece of paper resting on the dashboard with a pencil, then cut a piece of acetate, wet it and place it on the dashboard. It is additional protection for your dashboard at a very low cost. Remove the bubbles carefully, as is done with a cell phone protector.